Grew up in a Jamaican family. This was the order of the day. You get up early in the morning, brush your teeth, wash your face, then you get your breakfast, which can be cornmeal porridge, ackee and saltfish, roast breadfruit and cook up tomato, roast breadfruit and callaloo, or boiled dumpling and butter with little bush tea, or you get some oatmeal, and you can put the crackers in there, you can put the bread in there, and sometimes you will get cornflakes. After which, you take your shower, get ready, get dressed to go to school. When you go to school and if you take transportation, then pack you in like any sardine, especially when you take taxi. When you take bus, you hear somebody say, small up your little self in the bus. You have to small up yourself, make somebody come beside you. And even though I go back home, it's still edging my mind. And then when we see somebody, the taxi man put somebody else to sit down beside me in the front of the car, I say no, me will pay for the 2 seat because me can't take a quiz up. That was the order of the day. And then when you come from school, your mother give you chores to do. Is either you wash the plate, especially on weekend, you have lots of chores to do. You have to sweep the yard, you have to wash the plate, you have to wash clothes, and if you wash that clothes and put it on the line and the clothes now wash properly, remember me tell you a judgment. Your parents tuck it in back, you have to wash it over, and some cruel parents, them put it in the dirt and stamp them foot on it, and all over again that poor child have to go over and wash and scrub and wash and scrub. They not make fun for bust your bottom with lick. Them have them belt. Pie. Poor your little skin. If you're brown like me, your poor little skin get bruises. But if I know them do it, them hearts would go to jail. You see, them nowadays pick me. Them a live life. Because on things where them a galang within a school, we couldn't do that as a child. I couldn't do that as a child. First, if you misbehave on the road and somebody see you, then go tell your mother or then go tell your father, and them a make sure beat you first. And then when they go to your parents and complain, your parents are going to beat you again. Them the time the people get permission to beat you, ask if them people then could have tell some lie upon you. Because a lot of them tell lie upon me and make me get beaten. And still, you have to respect the elderly, because we were grown to respect elderly people. Sometimes when our parents cook all the food, can't go get the sick and the shut in before we even get none, And sometimes somebody pick them, then just dip them hand in the food. And if a 3 piece of meat, them take out 1. One day, this lady give the boy food. If you go give him cousin, the boy take out 2 pieces of meat and eat it because him never get for him dinner yet. Here the little old man. Then, Miss so-and-so never send food, no normally send 4 pieces of meat. So our 2 in the plate now. He couldn't say nothing. We have our own time to do our own little leisure. Skipping, dandy shandy, jacks. We were very creative. We make telephone, we make ball, we make bat, we make skate, we make cat. We were very creative. Not these children nowadays, where them have this, that gadget. We never have no gadget. outside was everything for us. Outside. No, they're enjoying outside. We didn't eat a lot of meat at that time. Because on Sunday day, you could have catch one common fowl. Kill a common fowl. And you get one leg. And God bless who get the chicken foot. Because you know say, no much meat, no depend on the chicken foot there. You want to mess with a Jamaican? Just trouble a Jamaican. Even here. You hear the raw patois come out. Even me, when I'm upset, I can't speak proper English. Me have to give them the raw born Jamaican. Yes, I love Jamaica. Me nah sell out Jamaica. I wish every time off I had, me could have got Jamaica. Yes. Here is just to work and save your money. But you see Jamaica, no matter what happen to Jamaica, Jamaica always a keep. We learn how to maneuver ourselves, meaning that you have to take up responsibility at an early age, because if you have younger sibling, when your mother start have kids, especially those who have the picnic, them back a picnic, you have to start from school and attend to that child and take care of that child like it's your picnic. Me never like that as a child. When baby a ball, you have to hush baby. You have to stay around baby crib and attend to baby. So most of them Jamaican parents, children here, them know how to take care of baby from a tender age and know how to take care of old people. Because if you have your granny, your mother make you take care of your granny. And if your mother have baby, you have to take care of baby and you have to take care of granny too. So that's how the family, some family in Jamaica, Jamaican parent, sometimes it is said that they can be cruel at times. But you see today, dear, when you look and see where them a picnic a galang with, you have to thank your parents. Even though them bust your ass, you still have to thank them. Because you learn to live within your mean, you learn to satisfy, you learn to see people things and wish it well. Because you will learn not to steal, not to long your ear for people things, not to trouble when no concern you, and not to fast in people business. Some of these young people now, and them come to America, them no like wash plate. Some of them Jamaican picnic we come here. Some of them are the lazy set of picnic. They don't like tidy up no way. Because when they come here, they adapt the American style. When them feel so them feel lazy and slouch around and not do nothing. A lot of parents have that they complain about them. Typical the American way. Because when them come here, them adjust to the Yankee way. They no want clean house. They no want do no chores whatsoever. And it's a lot of burden to some of the parents them now. Because they can't believe say, the picnic when they grow, come here can change. But you see when them have them friend and company, it's all about them friend and company, my love. Some of them picnic, your old people used to say, pension depend them. Some of them picnic no pension no depend them. Because some of them picnic are wickedest picnic towards parents. I see mothers cry. I see fathers cry. Then spend them all, then do everything. And the children, them so hard, cold-hearted towards parents. You wonder if the parents poison them and they're not dead. Please like, please comment, please subscribe to my video. Thank you. And if you like what I post, just give me a like. And if you want to share, please, I give you the opportunity, please to share with somebody, because I'll be coming back again, taking you down to memory lane, bringing back the old time days, bringing back the days when Jamaica used so nice and sweet. You want to hear more? Please subscribe to my video. Thank you.